Bonjour! In this video, I will show you how to make this 3D letter based on the Spider-Man No Way Home logo title. With this tutorial, you will learn how to easily make a 3D letter on Procreate and how to insert a pattern in your letter. By the way, you can get the same pattern brush and color palette for free thanks to the link just below this video. Okay, let's go! So first, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I will use a screen size canvas. We will directly set the color background. Select the color background layer on your layers panel. Then choose this black color from the color palette and tap Done. Now let's add the letter. First, choose this blue color from the color palette. Go to the Actions menu, Add, then Add Text, then add your letter. Tap on the letter A in the middle right of your screen to access the Edit Style panel. The font I'm using is the AudioWide font. You can download it with the link below this video. I invite you to watch this video if you want to know how to import a font into Procreate. Increase the size of the letter, then tap Done. Duplicate your text layer, tap on it, then Edit Text. Select this red color. Tap this button to create the outline of your letter. Then tap Done. And put your layer at the bottom of your layers panel. Select your two layers by sliding from left to right. Tap the transformation tool and make sure that snapping is on. Then put your two layers in the middle of your canvas with the size you want. Let's distort your letters. Choose Distort Mode and make sure Magnetics is on. Then drag this node to the right. Let's now create the 3D letter. First, duplicate the outline layer and select the bottom one. Tap the transformation tool to put it towards the bottom right. Take this dark red color and tap the selection tool. Choose the freehand mode and tap color fill. Then connect each edge between the two sides of your letter. Drop your color inside the outline. Tap your layer and enable Alpha Lock. If you want to learn more about Alpha Lock, I invite you to watch this video. Go to your brush library, Airbrushing brush set, and choose the soft brush, and use it with the red color on your entire letter. Choose this darker red color from the color palette and use your soft brush to create shadows like this on your letter. Now let's add a thin outline around the blue part of your letter. Duplicate your blue letter. Drop this light yellow color on your duplicated letter. Then duplicate it 5 times. Use the transform tool and nudge each one a little bit in each direction to create a thin outline. When you are done, pinch them to merge them. Then you can lower the opacity of your layer. To create the inner shadow inside the letter, duplicate the blue part of your letter twice. Drop the black color inside the top one. Tap the transform tool and move your layer to the bottom right side. Tap and hold with 2 fingers on your layer to select your layer content. Tap the duplicate blue layer. Tap invert at the bottom. Drag 3 fingers on your canvas to open the copy-paste menu. If you want to learn more about the copy-paste menu, I invite you to watch this video. Tap Cut and Paste. Delete the black letter layer. Select this layer with thin blue lines. Go to the Adjustments menu. Tap Brightness Effect. And put it to 0% to get a black color. Go to the Adjustments menu again and select Gaussian Blur. Then slide to the right to adjust it. And tap the letter N on your layer to adjust the opacity. Let's take care of the blue part now. Tap on your layer and enable Alpha Lock. Select this dark blue color from the color palette and use the soft brush on the bottom part of your letter. Now let's add the pattern inside the letter. To do this, we will create a clipping mask. If you want to learn more about clipping mask, I invite you to watch this video. create a new layer above your blue letter, tap on it, then enable clipping mask, select the light yellow color from the color palette, select the brush from my brush bundle, tap the letter N on your layer, and choose the overlay blend mode. Then use the brush and the whole letter. If you need to adjust the brush size, tap the brush on your brush library, grain, then adjust the size with this slider. And tap with 2 fingers on your layer to adjust the opacity. For the finishing touches, first make sure everything is in the middle of your canvas. Select all your layers by sliding from left to right. Tap the transformation tool and make sure that snapping is on. Then drag everything in the middle of your canvas. Create a new layer on top. Tap the Actions menu. Copy canvas. Then paste. Go to the Adjustments menu. Tap Sharpen Layer. Slide to adjust to around 50%. Go to the Adjustments menu again. Tap Chromatic Aberration in Layer Mode. Slide to adjust to around 5%. Go back to the Adjustments menu one last time. Tap Noise Layer. And slide to adjust to 5%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that I have created a free course to help you get started in Procreate. If you are interested, the link is in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!